friends, welcome to Sundays with Selma. Today I'm going to prepare shrimp fry. Let's get started. We need the following ingredients to begin. Shrimp 1 pound, turmeric powder half teaspoon, black pepper 2 teaspoon, lemon juice half tablespoon, breadcrumbs 1 cup, egg white 2 eggs, oil for deep fry, salt as needed. First, we are going to marinate the shrimp. For that, add your seasoning into this shrimp. Turmeric powder, crushed black pepper, lemon juice, and required salt. After adding all the ingredients, mix it well. Make sure shrimps coat well with the masala. It's going to rest and marinate for 20 minutes. Now it's rested 20 minutes. Next, add egg white and mix well. Heat oil for fry. Next step is dip shrimp into the breadcrumbs. Make sure it is fully covered with the breadcrumbs. Add shrimps one by one and make sure leave some space between the shrimps so we can flip the shrimp easily and it will cook evenly. Fry under medium flame. They will get fried in 5 to 10 minutes. This would be a great appetizer. Once they are nice and golden on one side, I'm going to flip it on the other side. Now it is golden brown and crispy on the both sides. Remove it from the oil and place it on a paper towel. Our simple and easy appetizer is ready. Transfer this into the serving dish and serve hot. Our simple and tasty shrimp fry is ready. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.